Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use the Add Product by CSV feature in the Webkul Multi-Vendor Marketplace application. So let's get started. Navigate to Products and then Product Listing. On the Product Listing page, click on the More drop-down option in the top right corner, and then click on Add Product by CSV. This will redirect you to the Add Product by CSV page. Here, you will find two different methods for uploading products in bulk. Let's start with Method 1. This method allows you to upload products using a single CSV file. Before creating your CSV file, you can download the instruction file and the sample product CSV file available at the bottom of the section. These files will help you understand the required format and the product data structure. Once your CSV file is ready, click on the Upload CSV button and select the file from your system. After uploading the file, click on Validate to verify the product data and check for any formatting or validation errors. If the validation is successful, click on the Submit button. This method is ideal when you are uploading product information without managing separate image files. Now let's look at Method 2. This method is useful when you want to upload products along with their images in bulk. Here, you will need to upload three files: the Product CSV file containing the product information, the Image ZIP file containing all the product images, and the Image CSV file that maps the uploaded images to their respective products. You can also download the available instruction and sample files to understand the required format before preparing your data. Once all the required files are uploaded, click on Validate. If everything is valid, click on Submit to import both the products and their associated images into the marketplace. Please note that a maximum of 500 products, including variants, can be uploaded at a time. Product files should always be validated before submission. And that's how you can quickly add multiple products using the Add Product by CSV feature in the Webkul Multi-Vendor Marketplace application. And that's all about the functionality. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.udesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.